Whether you are a parent, a future parent, an aunt, an uncle, or even just someone who survived being raised by parents, today's episode is for you.
Because today, we're talking about parenting.
Yes, and it's not just parenting. We're talking about the different parenting styles and how they shape us.
Yup.
Kwento lang, chika pero deep. Mga usapang hindi mo makip. Laugh a little, learn a little too. Stories that connect me and you. Real talk, real life, walang filter. From the heart, getting deeper. Kwento lang, chika pero deep. Listen close, the convo we keep.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Kwento Lang, Chika Pero Deep. I am Rika.
And I'm Risa.
And I'm G.
Whether you are a parent, a future parent, an aunt, an uncle, or even just someone who survived being raised by parents, today's episode is for you.
Because today, we're talking about parenting.
Yes, and it's not just parenting. We're talking about the different parenting styles and how they shape us.
Yup. Minsan, akala natin may tama at maling paraan ng pagpapalaki ng anak. Pero habang tumatanda, we realize that parenting is not one size fits all.
Oo. And let's be honest if walang adulting manual, wala talagang manual na magsasabi sa'yo na ito yung dapat na steps na gagawin mo in raising a child, di ba?
Tama.
Dahil may iba-iba talagang diskarte ang parents di
Oh,
ba?
exactly. Tsaka how you were brought up, it has an impact on you, di ba?
Oo.
How you are as a parent. So, but I believe that every parent is trying to do their best in what they can do to make their child a better person.
Oo.
Di ba?
Okay, let's start with a simple question. If you could describe your parents' parenting style in one sentence,
Naku!
what would it be?
Ikaw.
Mine would be, love me but do not test me.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Nako, nakakatakot yata yun
Don't
No.
test me.
Yung testing, no? Oo.
Ako naman, I think na, as long as you're home before 12, okay tayo. Cinderella.
Oo naman,
Oo.
Ako, iba naman, di ba? My mom had eyes at the back of her head.
Oh my God.
Bago ko pagawin, alam niya na. Di ba, yan yung mga sinasabi ng mga parents.
Oo.
Hindi ka pa,
Hindi mo pa- papunta ka pa lang.
parating
Pabalik
na,
na.
pabalik na
Oo.
ako. Ganyan.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So, okay. So, let's start with the first parenting type. Diba? Ito yung authoritarian parent.
Oo.
This is the classic strict parents,
Nako,
'di ba?
oo.
So, rules are rules. No
Oo.
explanations.
No
No negotiations,
Oo.
'di ba? Walang ko-kontra.
Parang nakakatakot, ano? Oo. Diba?
Kasi if you grew up hearing this, like we do, congratulations. Alam natin yung parenting style natin.
Oh, yes. The good side is that children learn to be disciplined. Di ba?
Oo.
The challenge is sometimes natatakot yung mga bata to express themselves sa sobrang authoritarian ng parents natin.
Oo. Parang feeling ko, generation natin to. I'm not sure, but ako, I'd like to think na ganyan talaga yung dating generation. Kasi
Oo.
parang, di ka kukontra. Ano sabihin ko?
Oo.
Batas yun.
Oo.
Parang, di ba?
Oo. Tsaka noon, 'di ba? Isang tingin lang, isang laki ng mata, alam mo na,
Oo,
'di
totoo yan.
ba? Bawal,
Oo.
bawal gawin yung alam mo na mali yung ginagawa mo.
Bawal mag-explain.
Oo.
Kasi kung anong sabihin, yun na yun.
Ako, I can relate to that kasi my dad was very strict. Di ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Professor,
Correct.
dean.
Oo, dean.
So, parang kailangan kung ano ang sinabi niya, yun ang
Gawin.
susunod.
Oo.
And, of course, my mom, hindi naman siya kumukontra eh. Pero mas subtle si mom ko. Siya yung lumuhod ka sa harap ng altar.
Subtle yun.
And be sorry for what you've done.
For your sins.
O, kaya ganyan ka naman, very
Tama na
prayerful,
sa amin.
'di ba?
Oo, kasi alam mo, feeling ko yung ganong klaseng parenting, parang nangyayari because masyadong hindi ka pwede magsalita or anything. Yung child, yung effect sa kanya would be medyo afraid siya to explain.
Ah.
Medyo mahirapan siya mag-express ng sarili niya. Or communication may communication deficiency siya in a way because nga hindi nga siya allowed to talk when she was younger. I think yun yung mga naging effect nun.
O, nagkakaroon ng jitters, no?
Oo, jitters pag
gano'n.
Ako, ang
nako-confront
ano ko,
or
oo,
whatever.
Pag ako nagsusorry, kasi eventually naman, talagang magsusorry tayo for what we've, let's say, for the little thing that we've done to them kasi magnified yun, times 10 yun eh.
Yeah.
Kahit maliit yung ginawa mo. I say my sorry through a letter
Oh.
and address to them.
Wow,
And yun
that's
nalalagay
nice.
ko lang doon.
Oh. Yeah.
Ang
Yun.
sweet naman.
Pero after that, di ba, hindi naman binasa, but
Binabasa.
you don't
Oo
talk
nga,
about it
pag binabasa
anymore.
nila,
They call me and then they'll tell me.
Ah,
Especially
nag-explain.
my dad,
Oo.
my papa would say, don't do this again.
Yeah.
Alam mo naman yung mga faults ng bata nung bata.
Yeah,
nung
typical.
bata. Typical na,
Typical
malikot.
child. Oh.
Diba?
Playful kasi,
oo,
diba?
So, yung mga ganun lang.
Oh.
oo, biglang may naisip ko, natatawa lang ako.
Share mo na yan.
Oo. Meron before, may kadate ako na set for Valentine's.
Wow. Sino
Tap-
to? Mami mo? Oh.
Ay, ako, meron akong kadate na for Valentine's. Wala namang issue kasi dapat na, kumbaga, alam naman na during that time, college na ako noon, di ba?
Okay.
So, okay naman, permitted na naman akong mag-date. Tapos, bumili na ng ticket yung kadate ko. Bumili na siya ng ticket. Nako, nung susunduin na ako, biglang sabi ng mami, wag ako lumabas.
Hala, oh no. Pero
Wala,
yung nandun
ha?
na si Guy.
Biglang nagtimbre na si Guy.
Oh my
Sinusundo na
gosh.
ako.
Oh.
So, hindi ako nagtanong, bakit?
Oo,
Or ayoko.
oo,
Kasi
oo.
walang
Oo,
kontra,
hindi pwede,
di ba?
hindi
Yun yung hindi
pwede.
tayo kumukontra. Alam mo, sinabi na lang ng maid na may sakit ako.
Oh no.
Kaya, during the time, wala namang,
baka nanonood
di ba wala namang cellphone? Oo nga.
Ngayon, alam mo na.
Ay.
Ngayon, alam mo
Di
na.
ba wala namang cellphone
Oo.
noon, di ba? Hindi ko naman alam yung number niya. Siyempre, nang liligaw pa lang yun. So, ayun, as in, ang sama, hindi na siya tumawag.
Kasi wala
Nagalit sa akin.
Wow,
Kasi,
mahal
di
ang
ba?
tickets, no?
Oo, kasi concert.
Oo.
Parang
Student pa lang,
ganyan.
pinag-ipunan niya pa
Oo.
yon.
Oo.
Diba?
Although working na rin siya.
Ah.
Pero,
I think I know who this is.
Hindi.
Oy,
Iba.
kinento mo to.
Yung, okay. Yun, yes. Hello.
Anyway.
Mukhang alam ko na rin.
Oo. So yun, yan yung mga hindi ka na kumontra, hindi ka nagtanong, bakit? Naimuon na.
Oo.
Walang ganun. Ngayon may mga ganun eh.
Pero
diba?
sinabi mo nga, Rex, ang effect naman ito, disiplinado.
Oo.
I'd like to think ganun tayo, di ba?
Oo. Di ba? Iniisip muna natin yung gagawin natin
Correct.
bago.
Oo.
Ano kasi, mahirap magpaalam eh, di ba?
Correct.
Oo. Yeah.
Yeah, so you're there.
Anyway.
So yung second type of parenting natin is the authoritative parent.
Iba
So
naman
ito
yun.
naman yung considered by many experts as the healthiest style. Kasi ito yung meron silang rules, pero in-explain nila why. Okay, anuhin lang natin. Baka kasi malito yung mga tao. So yung authoritarian, yun yung may
Batas.
rules sila, it's batas, no explanations, but basta
That's it.
sinabi ko, ito. Ang authoritative,
Yeah.
ito yung may rules, pero in-explain, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas kasi ganito.
ganun.
Ganyan.
Ah.
Yun.
Yeah.
Diba?
Okay. So parents, they listen. Itong klaseng parents na to. Then the children are heard kasi they're free to express
Correct.
themselves. But boundaries still exist.
So, parang ano nga to? Yung parenting style na to, more of our
Our generation.
yes.
This is
Oo,
how
as
we,
parents.
as
Oo,
parents.
oo,
Tama.
Ito yun, di ba? Ay, sinasabi na, anak, hindi pwede. Pero this is how it is. Let me explain why.
Correct.
Yun
Ito
yun.
nga yung parang generation natin. How we do it. Kasi ayaw na natin yung bawal to, hindi pwede to. Na hindi natin alam, bakit bawal? Bakit hindi
Oo.
pwede?
Oo.
So tayo, we explain further. Hindi pwede kasi ganito. May mga consequences or whatever, di ba?
Gawin mo yan ngayon, yung
Oo.
pagiging authoritarian. I think, sa generation ng mga bata ngayon, tendency nun magiging rebellious.
Correct.
Oo.
Diba?
Or mental health na naman, di ba?
Oo.
Affected na naman yung
Oo.
mental health.
Oo.
I think kaya nga ganun eh. Ina-explain kasi nga of yung mga mental health
Oo.
issues.
Yeah,
mga
that's why
ganyan.
naging ganun din yung parents.
Tsaka maganda rin kasi yun alam nung bata bakit.
Oo.
Diba?
Correct.
Oo.
Okay. So now we go to the third type. Ito yung permissive parent.
okay.
So ito yung parents na loving,
Oo.
nurturing, but sometimes may few rules pa rin.
Oo. These are the parents na nagsasabi, whatever makes you happy,
Nice.
ganyan.
Oo, diba?
Maganda
Pero
yung
the
ganun.
challenge, children may struggle with limited with their limits and accountability.
Oo. Yeah.
Diba?
Oo, yun lang. Baka minsan yung iba na nalilito, di ba?
Marang
Oo.
iniisip siguro nila ang lax din minsan ng
Oo.
parents.
Oo nga, kung
They-
hanggang
kaya
saan sila.
nag-aabuso.
Oo.
Parang may ganon, di ba?
Saka walang responsibility to not answerable for anything. Diba?
Oo,
May mga
oo.
ganun eh.
Yeah.
Oo. So ito, yung fourth naman type of parenting is the uninvolved parent.
Naku.
'Di ba? Parang mahirap.
Uninvolved.
Naman, no?
Oo. This is probably the most difficult style. Parents are physically present but emotionally unavailable.
Emotionally
Diba?
unavailable because
Masakit to.
sometimes grabe yung work.
Oo.
Siguro puro trabaho lang ng trabaho. And maybe sa sarili niya, may struggles din siya.
Yeah.
Going through something personally or emotionally. Kaya hindi din siya magkaroon ng time maging emotionally supportive sa anak niya, di ba?
Oo, pwedeng ganon.
Yeah, and oftentimes children grow up feeling unseen, di ba?
Oo, walang time, no,
walang
for
time
them.
eh.
Oo. I think parang kunyari I think ito yung mga nangyayari na well-off yung family because the parents are very hardworking. Maraming businesses or mga heads talaga of companies,
CEOs,
diba?
mga ganon,
Mga
no?
CEOs, diba?
Yeah.
Hindi natin nila lahat but marami rin,
Could be,
I'm sure
could be,
ganon,
yeah.
diba? So, nakafocus masyado on how to support the family, diba? Gustong bigyan ng magandang buhay yung pamilya, which is not bad. Siyempre, okay yun, diba? However, yung pag dumadating siya sa bahay, or sila sa bahay dahil naka-focus sila sa business nila or sa company that they work with, ang tendency, it's either pagod na sila,
Oo.
or late na sila uuwi. So,
Tulog na
wala...
yung mga bata.
Oo, tulog na yung mga bata. Or, kakausapin sila ng mga bata, sabihin, I'm too tired. Please talk to your mom or talk to whoever. Yung ganyan.
Yeah.
Pinapasa sa iba because nga,
Pagod na sa trabaho.
pagod sila sa work,
Yeah.
diba? So, yun yung, yes, present ka and you
Monetarily,
provide very well para sa
yeah.
family mo. Pero emotionally,
Wala.
hindi yun
Feeling ko
okay
ito
sa
yung mga
bata.
type of parents na hindi nakikipagkwentuhan sa anak na, anak,
Ah.
how was your day in school? Anong
Oo,
bang sabi ng
oo.
teacher? What are you doing? Ganyan.
Oo.
May kulang sa communication. Kasi nga din, we just mentioned na may personal struggles din siya. So siguro, meron din siyang problema, pinagdadaanan on her own, di ba, as a person. So hindi siya makakope up emotionally. So hindi din niya mabigay sa anak yung tamang, di ba, way of attention. That's right.
Pero sa tingin mo ba, parang unintentional naman yung kanyang pagiging unforeseen as a parent eh. Parang,
Hindi. Hindi
Diba?
nila alam
Hindi lang-
yun.
hindi
Kasi
na aware.
meron
Hindi na
kasing families important sa akala nila ang nagpapasaya sa mga anak nila is having a very, very good life. Diba? Nabibili nila
Napoprovide
yung
lahat.
gusto nila.
Yeah, that's
pero
true.
as a parang breadwinner of the family, lalo na yung tatay, talagang gusto nila yon eh. As a
Oo.
provider
Oo,
talaga.
oo, yeah.
Ina-expect nila na unintentional yung pagiging unforeseen nila because nandyan naman si mommy to fill up the
Correct.
space.
Oo,
Diba?
may ganon din.
May ganon eh.
Yeah.
Kaya minsan importante that you set, kunyari, sabihin na natin, di ba, we only have weekends eh. Usually, ang mga trabaho, Monday to Friday, di ba?
Yeah, oo.
Pero kung kunyari, working parent ka talaga, na hard-working parent ka, workaholic ka,
Yeah.
meron kayong business that runs until Saturday. So, ang Saturday, nag-work ka. Dapat talaga
Set aside.
set kayo ng ng time
Oo.
na kunyari Sunday is really family,
Family day.
day.
Correct.
Yeah.
Diba?
Important
Whatever
yun.
happens, family day yan.
Oo.
Diba?
May
So,
effort dapat, no?
oo,
Correct.
para may konting
Kahit anong
time
busy
ka.
pa,
Oo.
may time talaga for the family. Set
That's
aside
true.
time.
Oo.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yung fifth naman natin is the helicopter parent.
Grabe, di ba? Ano ba itong klaseng
So,
parent?
ito yung parents who monitor everything
Oh my gosh.
sa bata, di ba? School, friends, activities, social media, lahat.
Grabe.
Pinakikialaman,
Oo.
di ba?
Nothing wrong naman, pero pag sobra,
Oo.
talagang,
Oo.
di ba?
Yeah, they're also called helicopter parents because they're always hovering overhead. Yun nga, sobrang pinapakialaman naman lahat.
Oo, di ba?
Grabe.
Well, actually, the intention is love naman
Of course.
talaga. Di ba? But sometimes, children don't learn independence
Oo,
ganun eh. Kasi
oo.
nga, sobra ka
Nakasakal
nandun
naman
eh.
yun.
Oo.
Diba lahat ng
Oo.
social media, baka chine-check lahat.
Oo.
Everything, no? Tas,
Ang hirap naman gumalaw nun.
Oo.
Oo.
Eh, hindi ba ito yung mga parents sa sobrang involved din sa PTA school?
Oh my God.
No, because nowadays,
Oo,
ganun
for
na.
sure. Oo.
During our time, our parents would just go to school to pay tuition.
Yeah.
Get the card.
Oh, ganun, get the
Oo.
card. PTA meetings, which is very seldom,
seldom.
di ba?
Oo.
Dati. Pero now, I've heard of parents na talaga involved
Oo,
with their
diba?
school. Talagang grabe yung mga parents. They're
Oo.
really...
Nagiging
Correct.
magbabarkada na sila
Oo,
ng
oo,
ibang
oo,
PTA
totoo yan.
parents,
Yes.
diba?
Oo,
True.
nakabantay talaga sa school
Oo,
ng mga
oo.
anak nila.
Nako.
In a way, I think okay din siya.
Oo.
Kasi kailangan naman ng guidance ng mga
Yes.
bata, di ba?
Oo,
But
oo.
it can be really
Oo.
nakakasakal, I
Oo,
think.
oo.
Di ba?
Hirap,
yan.
hirap nun talaga. Kumilos, as a child, ang hirap kumilos, lahat ng kibot mo.
Because of technology, the parents are also involved dun sa buhay ng child, even sa social media accounts, di ba? So, yun, medyo ano na yun, sa bata. Sakal na yun, nakakasakal. So, let's move on to the sixth type, the tiger parent. So, this parenting style focuses heavily on the achievements of the child. Like, for example, kailangan may good grades, you are successful, excellent ka sa sports,
Nako.
and whatever, di ba?
And failure is not often an option.
Oo,
Diba?
sobra.
The question is, do successful children come from pressure or from support?
I think, meron namang mga bata na nagsasucceed sila. Dahil sabi nga natin yung hovering, yung ganyan, di ba?
Helicopter.
Tsaka helicopter kasi nakabantay yung parents, di ba? So, meron naman, in fairness, meron namang mga bata na nagiging valedictorian.
Yes.
Nagiging successful sila dahil nga
Nakatutok. Oo,
di ba?
oo,
However, may mga bata rin naman na nabuboost yung moral nila doon sa mga parents that just support them with the success na meron sila every time na yun nga, sa mga activities nila, ganyan.
Through
Yung-
encouragement
Oo,
and
correct.
motivation.
yung hindi mo
diba?
kailangang maging sobrang tutok, pero yung good job or yung mga ganyan.
Motivational
Oo,
words.
motivational.
Yung pressure
malaking
siguro,
bagay.
I would say na negative is the one that's nagging na.
Yeah.
Na yung sobrang, you have to get good grades, you have to pass this one or
Oo,
whatever.
correct.
Pero if yung pressure naman na ibang klase, like may motivation involved, that's a different one. Lalo na, the child will excel more pag nakikita niyang nandun si parent,
Yeah,
di ba?
to
Right
support.
there.
Yeah.
At happy para sa kanya. Oo.
All the more gagalingan pa eh. di ba?
Oo, tama. Kasi ayaw niyang kumbaga, may mga
Ma-disappoint,
batang
di ba?
ganun. Actually, yung anak ko, isa ganun, si Nicole eh. Yung gusto niya, dahil piniplease din niya yung sarili niya eh.
Yeah, okay.
Na she's doing well,
yeah, oo.
yung ganyan. So, pero syempre, ako very proud lang ako and supportive ako sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. But, yun nga, I think hindi naman ako yung tipong,
Pinupush mo.
kailangan,
Oo.
ganito. Sa akin, mababaw lang yung kaligayahan ko. Wag lang naman bagsak.
Oo.
Yung basta,
Oo.
basta naman, wag lang bagsak. Yung basta okay lang yung grades mo. But I think, may mga bata, dahil nga gusto nila i-prove na, oo nga, no, parang motivate sila dahil yung parents nila happy for them.
Yes.
Lalo nilang
Ginagalingan.
ginagalingan.
Correct.
diba?
Yeah, that's
Yun ang, yun ang mga mababait na bata na
Yung
hindi
advantages.
kailangan,
Oo, hindi mo na kailangang
Pukpukin.
pukpukin.
Correct.
Alam na
Pastukin.
nila yung
Yes.
dapat
That's
nilang
all.
gawin. So, yung seventh type naman ng parenting na meron tayo is the free-range parent.
Wow.
These parents are those who encourage independence. Yung children are allowed to explore and then learn through experience, 'di ba?
Yeah, ito yung go outside and figure it out.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, pero ano yung benefit, di ba? You become very confident.
Oo.
Yeah. Tapos, gumagaling ang mga problem-solving skills mo.
Oo.
And then, natututo kang dumiskarte.
Correct.
Oo,
Kasi
oo.
hinayaan ka to
Yeah.
grow, to learn.
Oo,
so yun
tama.
naman maganda din about the free-range
Yeah,
parenting.
but in this time, di ba, medyo
delikado.
din.
Yeah.
Oo, kailangan maging careful ka din,
Yes,
diba?
oo.
Kasi may mga bata rin kasi ngayon, 'di ba? Na pag sobra mo namang pinabayaan,
Oo, depende yun sa...
umu-over naman, lalo na kapag wrong
Set of friends.
set of friends naman
Yes.
sila
Oo,
napasama,
totoo.
'di ba? So mahihirap din 'yun.
Yeah.
Kaya kahit papaano, yung mga
Balance.
ganitong kinds of parents, it's not at all bad na
Yeah,
maging
yeah.
ganito, but I think dapat may konting guidance and bantay ng kaunti to make
Medyo
sure
cautious
lang
din, no?
that they're with the right people also and that they're doing the right thing. Yun yung dun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And also, let's not forget the best friend parent. Ito yung number 8 type of parenthood.
Yeah.
So, ito naman yung parents who want to become friends with their children. Hindi ayaw niya yung authority figure, but a friend more than
oo.
anything else. So,
Oo.
Pero there's nothing wrong to being close to your children.
Oo,
ha?
wala.
Diba?
Diba? Mm-mm. But you can still be a parent if you're trying too hard to be a friend.
Oo.
interesting question, Rix.
Oo.
Oo.
I mean, di ba,
There should be a
parang-
line between
yun ang
parenthood and
sinasabi ko.
friendship,
Oo.
di ba?
Oo.
Kasi pwedeng i-take for granted ka din or respect, mawala. Kung masyado ka namang papagbigay sa anak mo, like
Oo.
as a friend.
Oo.
But maybe as a friend na nakikinig ka sa problema
Oo.
ng anak mo, hindi yung konting sinasabi pa lang, hindi pwede yan. But you know,
Oo.
yeah, okay, sige, yung makipag-usap ka ng maayos sa parent, sa anak mo, and then that would be a very, anong tawag nito, relationship na harmonious, di ba?
So, parang may
And
boundaries
healthy.
ka rin.
May boundaries
Kasi
lang.
ang mahirap
Oo.
din yata dito. Kasi, alam mo, mahirap din talaga maging parent, di ba? Kagaya ng sinabi natin kanina.
Oo.
Kasi, nagtitimpla ka, hindi mo alam kung ano yung tamang timpla.
Formula, correct.
Diba?
Oo.
Depende rin kasi rin yun minsan sa kind of bata na meron kang anak, diba?
Kasi,
So,
You're
ano
right.
yun? So, mahirap magtimpla. Ang mahirap kasi dito sa kind of parenting na to, sa sobrang friends kayo,
Yeah.
yung nawawala na yung
Respect.
respect, 'di ba?
Correct.
Baka may kung may mga batang ibang klasing bata 'yun,
Oo,
'di ba?
depende.
Na sobrang friend ang turing niya sa baka naman mura-murahin ka.
Huwag naman, oo.
Diba?
Yung mga
May
ganun,
mga
ah.
ganun,
It could be like
May
that.
mga
Oo,
ganun,
oo.
na hindi marunong magpaalam.
Oo.
Or dadaanan ka lang.
Oo.
Na
Kasi
parang,
okay lang kay
"Alis na
mami
ako."
to eh.
Yung mga
Oo,
ganyan.
Yeah.
Marami tayong nakikitang ganyan sa mga teleserye, di ba?
Oo.
May mga
But in
ganyan.
reality,
Pero
meron
in
talaga.
reality,
And in
madami
reality
ganun.
kasi nangyayari
Yeah.
yun.
Yeah.
So, medyo medyo nakakatakot din na style of parenting
Yeah.
yun, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yung naman natin, yung ninth natin na type of parenting, which is the last type of parenting, is the conscious parent. So, this is becoming more popular today kasi parents focus on emotional awareness, communication, understanding, healing generational patterns, 'di ba?
Oo. Instead of asking, what's wrong with my child, they ask, what's my child trying to tell me?
Oo.
This style actually encourages, I think, empathy and connection. Di ba?
Oo.
So, here's the real question. Which parenting style did you grow up with?
I think ako, more on yung generation nga natin,
Oo.
nasabi na natin
Oo.
kanina, di ba? More on the
Unanimous tayo
authoritarian
Authoritarian naman
diba?
talaga eh. Di ba?
Pero hindi ko
Inamasama.
minamasama yun. Pero I think yung parents ko, meron siyang,
Oo,
meron
meron din.
silang a
Oo.
little of all the styles.
Correct.
Oo.
'Di ba? Meron siyang ganun. Pero more on the authoritarian kasi nga ganun yung
Yung sa generation.
generation nating lahat, 'di ba?
Correct.
Maski sino yatang makausap mo na ka-age natin,
Correct.
ganyang
Oo.
type of parenting,
Oo.
yung majority style na ginagamit.
Right.
And again, which style then of parenting are we using now, 'di ba?
Kayo,
Oo, ako siguro authoritative when they were younger. 'Di ba? Yung wag mong gawin to kasi
Because
ganito,
ganon.
ganyan.
Yeah.
Pero, nung naging adult na sila, again, nung nagkukondo na sila, yung mga ganyan, medyo free range na yon. Pero nandun pa rin ako to guide them,
Yeah.
diba? So, yeah.
Yeah.
Ako
I think
naman,
best.
Oo, as a guardian, 'di ba? Kasi syempre, ang parenting style, binibigay ko 'yon sa talagang nanay,
Oo naman.
'di ba?
Oo.
So, ako, kumbaga back up lang ako eh.
Mm-mm.
But siguro in disciplining, I'm more of an authoritative.
Mm-mm. Oo.
Kasi I explain why.
Oo.
And that's coming from an authoritarian discipline.
Oo. Correct.
Kumbaga, minimize ko yung the way I was disciplined
Mm-mm.
sa generation ngayon.
Mm-mm.
Otherwise, siguro, yung go to the wall, hindi applicable sa akin yan.
Wala na.
Wala
Oo.
na. I mean, talagang authoritarian. It's either the belt
Mm-mm.
or you do something, di ba? Mas
Oo.
grabe ang punishment before.
Oo.
Oo. So ako, as a guardian, authoritative ako.
Oo. Sometimes kasi we become our parents
Yes.
din, 'di ba?
Oo.
Oo. Kung ano yung sa tingin nating nag-work na style
Pero
ng parenting ng
less,
parents natin
mas less
noon.
of
Oo.
an authority.
And we try to become the better version.
Yeah.
Oo,
Diba?
we improve
Oh,
naman,
yes.
'di ba?
And yun nga, sometimes we become the exact opposite kasi parang rebellious na yung dating.
Yeah.
Ayaw mo yung ginawa sa'yo, so iba ang gagawin mong approach. Or the other way around. Dahil ayaw mo yung ginawa sa'yo, you'd become, yun na nga, the better version.
Yes.
Pero marami din tayong ginagawa sa mga anak natin na based sa
Yes,
kung
experience
paano
natin.
tayo
Correct.
pinalaki,
Correct.
'di ba? Kasi nga I should say, naging mabuti tayong mga anak. Dahil ganun, dahil
Yeah.
nagfo-follow tayo sa
Correct.
parents natin,
Obedient talaga.
obedient
Oo.
tayo, respectful, ganyan. So I think maganda rin na may mga kinukuha tayong lessons from
From
that
our
time,
parents.
from
Yeah.
our parents, na dinadala pa rin
Yes,
natin ngayon.
ina-apply
Pero,
natin.
minamasahe natin ng kaunti ng
Correct.
iba-ibang
Oo.
styles.
And like what
diba?
you said earlier, depende sa bata eh. Kasi
Oo.
iba-ibang ano yan eh,
Oo.
personality.
Correct.
So iba yung approach mo per child.
Oo, oo. May
It's a
sensitive,
mix. Oo.
may matapang na bata,
Oo.
di ba?
Correct.
Mga
Yeah.
ganyan.
So at the end of the day, there is no perfect parent.
Oo,
Ah.
oo naman.
Yeah. There's no perfect child either.
Tama.
Correct. So parenting is one of the few jobs where you learn as you go along. Diba?
Correct.
Oo. So, no practice rounds to eh.
Oo.
No trials.
No hit or
So,
miss na.
Oo. So, no
Oo.
guarantees
No
din,
guarantees.
di ba?
Just
Kung ano
only
yung
love,
kalalabasan.
Effort, mistakes, and learning. Diba?
Oo. Maybe actually the goal isn't to be a perfect parent, di ba? Maybe the goal is simply to raise a kind, responsible, and happy human beings,
Agree
di
ako
ba?
dyan.
Yes. And to keep showing up every day, importante yun.
Correct.
Oo.
Existent
oo.
tayo sa buhay nila. And even if you don't have all the answers, kasi nga, it's a journey in life. Parenting is a journey as we go along.
So, this has been Kwento Lang, Chika Pero Deep.
So, thank you for joining us. See you next week.
And we'll see you. It's our episode 15 next time.
Okay, bye!
Deep. Listen close, the convo we keep.
To be honest, how many of us have looked at a post and thought, bakit siya nag-like pero hindi siya nag-comment, 'di ba? Or nag-comment siya sa iba pero hindi sa akin, 'di ba?
Guilty. Guilty ako dyan. Or the classic scene zone. Sabi ko, bakit dead ma lang to?
Oo, 'di ba?
Diba?
So today's question is, like, heart, comment, may meaning ba talaga?